Hey, Joe Hollingsworth here with Powertrain Company. Just talking to a customer this morning about a warranty, and I thought, there might be a little information that might be helpful for you all out there when you're shopping for remanufactured engines and transmissions regarding warranty. Now, warranty is an important deal. Having a company that stands behind the warranty is probably more important, but having a warranty is peace of mind, and I get that. It's a $3,000 engine, $1,000 to install it, another $500 worth of parts, and that's a big deal for most of us. I'm not carrying that kind of money in my pocket, so I like having a warranty. It tells me that somebody is willing to stand up and say, hey, we built a good product and we're willing to stand behind it. And I think that's important. The big thing is, here at Powertrain Company, we only do factory warranties. Now, we have two major factories that build our products. We build some ourselves. We got a lot of other, but we have two major factories. And the industry standard right now is 3-year, 100,000 mile warranty. That's what the factory offers. And when you have an issue, you've got the factory behind you. And that's very important. We firmly believe in factory warranties. I'm going to drive you nuts saying it. Factory warranties, okay? The thing is, all warranties are written the same way. They cover defects in materials and workmanship. That's all a warranty covers. A warranty is not a guarantee that no matter what you do, you're going to be taken care of. It's not an insurance policy. It's a warranty. My iPhone, okay? I use an iPhone. I don't care what phone you use. They're all pretty good phones nowadays. Early on in my iPhone career, I had one for about 6 weeks, and I dropped it in the swimming pool, okay? Dried it out, took it in a few days later to the iPhone store and said, hey, man, my phone quit. It's only 6 weeks old and it's got a warranty. And the young man said, well, I apologize. Let me take a look at it for you. And he takes my iPhone, he pops the back of it open. Some of you probably already know where this is going. He pops it open, he looks at it, and he says, well, sir, this phone's been exposed to excessive moisture. That's not warranty, that's damage. If you'll take a number and take it over to that other counter, Bob will be glad to sell you another one for $300, but it's not warranty, okay? And it's not. Apple didn't drop my phone in the pool. They didn't cause it to get filled up with water and ruined. It's not defective. I damaged it. So engine and transmission warranties are the same way. They cover defects. If it's built defectively, then you've got good warranty protection. Add-on warranties, that's entirely up to you. I'm personally, again, here at Powertrain Company, we don't do non-factory add-on warranties. We only have one warranty that we offer add-ons to, and that's called the no-fault protection. Now, that's a pretty cool deal. It costs extra money. I mean, it has to. But the no-fault protection does say that no matter what you do to it, you'll get one replacement free. One. So this is a pretty good deal. If there's a mistake made on the install or something goes wrong while you're driving your vehicle with your new engine in it, you can get coverage to give you one free replacement engine. And that's not a bad deal, but it's a factory no-fault protection. So when we start saying million-mile, lifetime, we love you, and trust me, warranty's a hassle. It's going to be. You're going to have your documentation. You're going to have things like your serial number. You're going to have to go through a process. That's the way it works with everything. So we do the best we can. Our factories are great. We don't have any issues with this. But stick with the factory warranties. If you think you might be a little iffy on the install, get that no-fault protection. It's a good package. It's not really expensive, but it's a good package to have. But stick with the factory warranties. At Powertrain Company, that's what we offer. And there's one more thing I always like to mention. Early in this video, I said the warranty's only as good as the people behind it. That's what I'm proud of. Our factories build great engines. We've got great warranties. We've got great delivery service. We don't charge freight. We don't charge a core up front. A lot of neat things we do, but I'm always going to end these the same way, and that's with our people. And when you do have a problem with your engine or you do need warranty help, we're not going to do the technical, but we're going to be there for you to back you up. We're going to help you make the calls, help you gather the information, and that's what I'm proud of, is our people at Powertrain Company. They're the ones that in the end are going to make a difference when you think you have an issue. So, peace of mind, stick with the factory warranty, and call us at Powertrain Company. We'll help you out.